15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. English that is easy for Japanese to translate directly. Please do your best. That sounds too literal. What do native speakers say? Good luck. Good luck. Please treat me well. That sounds unnatural in English. What do you say when meeting someone? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You must be tired. A direct translation sounds odd. What should I say after work? Good work today. Good work today. It is wasteful. The meaning is close but different. What sounds natural? What a waste. What a waste. Please read the air. That expression does not work. How do you say it in English? Read the room. Read the room. Donmai. That word is not English. What is a natural encouragement? Don't worry. Don't worry. It cannot be helped. That sounds formal. What sounds natural in conversation? It can't be helped. It can't be helped. I am nervous. The meaning is correct. What sounds more conversational? I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous. It is awkward. The meaning is close in English. Can native speakers use it naturally? It feels awkward. It feels awkward. It is troublesome. That sounds formal. What sounds casual? It is such a hassle. It is such a hassle. It is nostalgic. That can sound unnatural sometimes. What do native speakers often say? That brings back memories. That brings back memories. He is serious. That sounds too strict. What sounds more natural? He is very sincere. He is very sincere. It is subtle. That changes the meaning a lot. How would you say it in English? It is not great. It is not great. I am okay. Context can change the meaning. What should I say when refusing? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. He is appropriate. That means something different. How do you say careless? He is careless. He is careless. Good luck. Good luck. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good work today. Good work today. What a waste. What a waste. Read the room. Read the room. Don't worry. Don't worry. It can't be helped. It can't be helped. I'm kind of nervous. I'm kind of nervous. It feels awkward. It feels awkward. It is such a hassle. It is such a hassle. That brings back memories. That brings back memories. He is very sincere. He is very sincere. It is not great. It is not great. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. He is careless. He is careless. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.